This is our new family member, a cute puppy, and a true master of mischief. He's already chewed on quite a few clothes around the house. But I found a solution. Fix everything with Patch Power, my magical iron-on adhesive. It's super simple to use. First, shake the can well. You'll hear a ball inside. Then, spray from 20 centimeters onto the back of the patch until it turns completely white. Next, place it on your clothes. Don't worry, it won't stick yet, so you can move it around until you find the right spot. Then, simply iron it for 40 seconds to melt the adhesive. If your fabric is thick, heat the back of it too, to make sure it holds perfectly. Let it cool down completely before you touch it. In the meanwhile, it's cuddle time for our little furry monster. And there you go. Not bad, right? Now I can wash these clothes without any worries. The patches won't budge. All of this gave me another idea. I'll customize my daughter's lunchbox with her name. That will save me some labeling. How amazing is that? Find Patch Power at your favorite craft store. See you soon for more creative tips.